Hey folks, ever wondered what foods can turn you into a brainiac? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top foods that are great for your brain. We're talking about the stuff that'll make your synapses fire like a machine gun, boost your memory, and have you outsmarting chess computers in no time. Let's get started. First up, we've got the heavy hitters of the brain food world, oily fish. We're talking salmon, mackerel, sardines, the kind of fish that makes your grandma say, they don't make them like they used to. And you know what? She's right. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like the high-octane fuel your brain craves. Think of your brain like a high-performance engine. You wouldn't put cheap gas in a Ferrari, would you? No way. You'd give it the premium stuff, the good stuff. That's what omega-3s are for your brain. They help improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Studies have shown that people who regularly eat oily fish have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. That's right, folks. These fish aren't just delicious, they're practically a health insurance policy for your brain. So next time you're at the grocery store, swing by the seafood section and pick up some salmon or mackerel. Your brain will thank you for it. And hey, if you're feeling really adventurous, try some sardines. They're like tiny little brain pills packed with flavor. Just remember to cook them up right. You don't want to be smelling like a fishy apocalypse. That's not going to help your brain power, trust me. Next up, we've got a contender that proves size isn't everything. Blueberries. These little guys are like the ninjas of the fruit world, small but mighty. They're packed with antioxidants, which are like little warriors fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your brain cells. You know how when you cut an apple and leave it out, it starts to turn brown? That's oxidation, and it's happening in your body all the time. But antioxidants are like the superheroes that come in and say, not today, free radicals. They help keep your brain cells healthy and functioning at their best. And that's not all blueberries are good for. Studies have shown that they can improve memory, learning, and even help delay age-related cognitive decline. So, basically, they're like the fountain of youth for your brain. Now you can eat blueberries straight up, of course, but they're also great in smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkled on top of a salad. Get creative with it. Just maybe avoid putting them on pizza. I'm all for culinary experimentation, but some lines shouldn't be crossed. Alright folks, let's talk about everyone's favorite excuse to indulge chocolate. But not just any chocolate, we're talking about the dark, mysterious, and oh so good for you kind dark chocolate. Now I'm not saying you should go out and eat a whole bar of Hershey's Special Dark and call it brain food. We're talking about the good stuff here, the kind with a high cacao content, at least 70% or higher. That's where the magic happens. See, dark chocolate is loaded with flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain. And good blood flow means a happy, healthy brain. It's like giving your brain a spa day. But instead of cucumber water, it's getting a delicious dose of flavonoids. Plus, dark chocolate contains a little bit of caffeine, which can give you a nice little energy boost and help you focus. Just don't go overboard, or you'll be bouncing off the walls like a caffeinated squirrel. So next time you need a little brain boost, reach for a square or two of dark chocolate. It's a delicious and guilt-free way to indulge while giving your brain some love. Just remember, everything in moderation, folks. Have you ever noticed how walnuts kind of look like little brains? Well, that's no coincidence, my friends. These nuts are like nature's way of saying, hey, eat this if you want to be smart. And you know what? Mother Nature knows best. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids just like those oily fish we talked about earlier. But they're also a great source of vitamin E, which is another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your brain cells from damage. Think of vitamin E as the bodyguard for your brain cells, shielding them from those nasty free radicals that are trying to mess things up. It's like having a personal security detail for your cognitive function. Studies have shown that eating walnuts regularly can improve memory, cognitive function, and even help with mood regulation. So not only will you be sharper than a tack, but you'll also be feeling good. It's a win-win. Now you can eat walnuts on their own, of course. They make a great snack. But they're also delicious in salads, trail mixes, or even crumbled on top of yogurt or oatmeal. Get creative and find what you like best. Remember Popeye, the sailor man who got super strong after downing a can of spinach? Turns out he was onto something. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to brain health. These leafy greens are packed with folate, also known as vitamin B9, and vitamin K, both of which are essential for cognitive function. Folate plays a crucial role in cell growth and development, including the cells in your brain, while vitamin K helps to protect your brain cells from damage. Think of folate as the construction worker of your brain, building and maintaining those all-important brain cells, while vitamin K is the security guard, keeping everything safe and sound. Studies have shown that people who eat plenty of green leafy vegetables have a lower risk of cognitive decline as they age. So if you want to keep your mind sharp well into your golden years, make sure you're getting your greens. Now, I know what you're thinking. Joe, I'm not a rabbit, I don't want to eat salad all day. And you know what? I hear you. But there are plenty of delicious ways to incorporate leafy greens into your diet. Don't toss those pumpkin seeds when you're carving your jack-o'-lantern this Halloween. These little guys are packed with brain-boosting nutrients like magnesium, iron, and zinc. Magnesium is like a chill pill for your brain, helping to regulate mood and improve sleep. Iron helps carry oxygen to your brain, keeping it energized and functioning at its best. And zinc is like a superhero, protecting your brain cells from damage. Think of it this way: magnesium is the yoga instructor, iron is the energy drink, and zinc is the bodyguard, all working together to keep your brain in tip-top shape. Studies have shown that pumpkin seeds can improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. Plus, they're a good source of fiber, which is important for gut health. And a healthy gut means a happy brain. You can roast pumpkin seeds yourself, or buy them pre-shelled for a convenient snack. Add them to trail mixes, salads, or just munch on them by the handful. Let's talk about eggs, baby. Those incredible edible capsules of brain-boosting goodness. We're talking about the kind of food that can fuel your day and keep your mind sharp as a tack. Eggs are loaded with choline, a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in memory and brain function. It's like the building block for acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps your brain cells communicate with each other. Think of choline as the construction worker in your brain, building those all-important communication lines between your brain cells. The more choline you have, the better your brain cells can communicate, and the better your memory and cognitive function will be. But wait, there's more. Eggs are also a great source of B vitamins, which are essential for brain health and development. These vitamins help to protect your brain cells from damage and keep your cognitive function running smoothly. So, next time you're whipping up breakfast, don't forget the eggs. Scramble them, fry them, poach them, or make an omelet. Just make sure you're getting your daily dose of brain-boosting goodness. Let's get our citrus on. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, limes, these fruits are like a burst of sunshine for your brain. Not only are they delicious and refreshing, but they're also packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's essential for brain health. Think of vitamin C as a shield, protecting your brain cells from those pesky free radicals that can cause damage and lead to cognitive decline. It's like giving your brain a suit of armor against the stresses of daily life. Studies have shown that vitamin C can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Plus, it can help to boost your mood and reduce stress levels, which is always a good thing for your brain. So, next time you're feeling a little sluggish, reach for an orange or grapefruit. Squeeze some lemon into your water or add a lime wedge to your favorite drink. Your brain will thank you for the zesty boost. Let's talk about green tea, baby. This ancient elixir has been consumed for centuries for its health benefits, and modern science is finally catching up to what those wise old sages knew all along. Green tea is a brain-boosting powerhouse. Green tea is loaded with L-theanine, an amino acid that has a calming effect on the brain, promoting relaxation and focus without making you sleepy. It's like the perfect balance between alertness and tranquility, allowing your brain to function at its best without feeling jittery or wired. Think of L-theanine as the Zen master of your brain, calming the chatter and helping you find your focus. It's like meditation in a cup, allowing you to tap into your inner peace while still being sharp and alert. But wait, there's more. Green tea also contains caffeine, but unlike the jolt you get from coffee, the caffeine in green tea is released slowly, providing a sustained energy boost without the jitters or crash. It's like having a personal assistant for your energy levels, keeping you fueled and focused throughout the day. So ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a cup of green tea instead. Your brain will thank you for the calm focus and sustained energy. So there you have it, folks. Incorporate these brain-boosting foods into your diet and watch your mental powers soar. Remember, what you eat has a direct impact on your brain function, so make sure you're fueling your mind with the good stuff. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Eating delicious food that's good for you is one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do to enhance your brain power and live a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Stay sharp.